Birds are some of the most amazing type of animals in the world. Apart from the fascinating ability to fly, they also have very colorful feathers and a variety of beautiful calls, sometimes so pleasant that it is termed as birdsong. There are many kinds of variation among all the bird species in the world. Some are high-flying birds, some are amazing singing birds, some are strange-looking birds. The variation in size is also enormous, with birds as large as ostriches and emus existing side by side with small birds like the hummingbird. Nature has gifted us many cute and beautiful birds. Here is our list of the smallest and cutest birds in the world. Number 1. Bee hummingbird. The bee hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world and is found only in the island country of Cuba. It is only 5 centimeters long and weighs up to 2 grams. The female is somewhat larger than the male, while the male has brighter plumage. This is one of the cute birds that can flap its wings 80 times per second while searching for food, and this may go up to 200 beats per second during the mating season. The diet of the hummingbird consists mainly of nectar from flowers, and it visits over 1,200 flowers a day, playing a vital role in pollinating these species. Number 2. WEEBILL. The WEEBILL, named after its small beak, is one of the smallest cute birds native to Australia. It is also the smallest bird found in the country. It is fairly common and lives in wooded areas, sometimes close to human habitation. It is around 8 centimeters long and lives in small flocks. The nests of this bird are made of mud and grass and have a peculiar dome shape. They are non-migratory birds and spend their entire lives in the same area. The main diet is insects and seeds, and the short beak surrounded by small feathers helps in catching insects. Number 3. PARDALOTE. Like the WEEBILL, this bird too is native to Australia and is only 8 to 12 centimeters long. They live in eucalyptus forests that are common throughout the country and do not migrate away from their birthplace. The males and females have similar size and appearance. Their tails are short, while the head and wings have a black and olive green color with white spots. The underside is a dull yellow. These cute birds are an important part of the ecosystem, as they help to control the population of pests called lerps that suck the sap of trees. Number 4. Gold-headed CISTICOLA. This small bird is found in a wide range of habitats in India and Australia and is a type of warbler. The bird is 10 centimeters long and weighs only 10 grams. It lives in farmlands, grasslands, and wetlands and is one of the best builder cute birds, making nests by stitching together grass, leaves and spider webs. The male bird has bright golden and cream plumage, while the female has a dark brown body with a cream-colored underbelly. The bird mainly feeds on insects and seeds that are commonly found in its habitat. Number 5. GOLDCREST. The goldcrest is found in northern Europe and is named after the bright yellow patch on the top of its head that appears like a crest. The male is multicolored with an olive green body and pale yellow underbelly, while the female is completely yellow. There is not much difference in the size of the two sexes. They live in the broadleaf forests common in Europe as well as in gardens, and is known for its high-pitched melodious calls. During the winter, these calls are very common and the bird appears to be singing in gardens. Number 6. Brown GREYGONE. This tiny Australian bird belongs to the family of passerines and is the smallest of this type. It grows only up to 10 centimeters and spends most of its time on treetops. It usually lives in groups of 3 or 4 individuals, since it makes hunting for insects easier. Their main diet consists of small flying insects, and they are found in coastal areas and woodlands across the country. This cute bird is completely gray with black stripes on its wings. Number 7. American Goldfinch. This small bird is found across the United States and is the state bird of 3 states: Washington, Iowa, and New Jersey. They usually live in flocks and can grow up to 14 centimeters in length with a weight of up to 20 grams. They are migratory birds and migrate from the northern United States to Mexico during the winter. For the breeding season, they move to North Carolina, and during different seasons, their calls and songs are different. The bird is bright yellow except for the forehead, wings, and tail, which are black. Females have similar coloration but are duller than males. Number 8. BANANAQUIT. This small bird is found in South and Central America, and the family of BANANAQUITs have 44 different species. Each has a size between 10 and 13 centimeters, and they can be differentiated by slight differences in coloration and morphology. They generally have a blackish back with the yellow underbelly, and the curved beak is ideally suited for sucking nectar from flowers. Nectar and small insects from the main diet of this bird. Number 9. Tropical Perilla. This cute bird is found in the southern United States and Mexico and is one of the smallest birds in North America. There are about 14 species of the Perilla and each of them has slightly different coloration. In general, the male is brighter than the female and has more color variations on its body. The head and back are bluish in color while the underparts are pale yellow. The Perilla mostly feeds on insects, berries, and seeds. One of the most beautiful cute birds in the world. Number 10. Crimson Chat. This distinctive bird is endemic to Australia and is one of the many small birds found in the continent. It has a length of about 13 centimeters and weighs up to 13 grams. As the name suggests, the male birds have a crimson head and chest while females are less brightly colored with brown and pink plumage and they use their strong legs to hop around and walk. The bird usually inhabits drier areas and grasslands.